I'm the founder and director of Indigenous Bridges. I'm also an international Indigenous and human rights advocate and political advisor on international intertribal diplomatic relations and affairs. And we have the incredible honor of having His Majesty Regent Kami here with us tonight. It is truly a blessing to have him here, especially in a time where our people are facing such bigotry and such hatred from so many different directions and so many different angles. And one of the main anti-Semitic narratives that's being pushed out into the world right now is this crazy story that Jews are somehow white European colonialist settlers who came and illegally stole poor indigenous Palestinian land and are now committing genocide and apartheid.
I'm so thrilled to be able to say that we are part of the Indigenous Bridges group, and which are doing great work amongst the tribes. Far and wide, abroad, Africa, even in the Middle East. And it is good that the tribes get together. I mean, where can you go in the world to get that type of record? And that record is in every country where people can read. They can open, they can read the record of the Jews. They can read. If they don't want to believe it, they can come and do some excavations, because the rocks will testify to the truth of the Torah. To be stronger, to develop more, to be less dependent on foreign nations for their arms and their protection. That Israel be stronger, that the Jews be more, that the land be greater.
Amen.
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 And the enemies be weaker.
Amen. 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 Amen.